how to create a flowchart in Google Docs. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a flowchart directly in Google Docs. Flowcharts are an amazing way to visually represent processes, decisions, or workflows, and Google Docs makes it super easy, so let's dive right in. First things first, open your web browser, search for Google Docs, and make sure you're logged into your account. Now, first things first, open your blank document, and at the top of your screen, simply click on Insert tab. Then click on Drawing and click on New. This will open up the drawing canvas. Now let's start adding shapes to represent different steps or decisions in your flowchart. On the drawing canvas, you'll see a toolbar. Click on the shape icon. You can choose from different shapes: rectangles for processes, diamonds for decisions, and arrows. Simply create your flowchart however you prefer. Once you've done with shapes, let's add arrow. Once you're happy with how your flowchart looks, you can simply resize or adjust the layout. When you're done, simply click on Save and Close. And that's it. Your flowchart will now be inserted into your Google Docs document. You can click on the flowchart to resize it or move it around as you prefer.